Hello guys, this is Vicky again with a new project with the Coding Ninja. In this project, we have the three components. We have to create an API for the management system to add a product to the inventory, to delete the product from the inventory, or to update the numbers of products in inventory. So here is the questions that what we have to do. We have to design an API for e-commerce platform admin to manage the product inventory, and here we can we will use only the two tech stacks, that is Node.js and MongoDB. With and for checking our API, we will use a new app called Postman, through which we will process the data and the flowing, and then we have to do the delete. We have to do the post for updating the quantity, and to get the list of the products. These things are all. Now let's see how our code is structured in our the VS Code, where I have structured my code. So here's my e-commerce code. So in e-commerce currently, you can see yeah, in e-commerce you can see currently it is a package.json. In package.json I have used .env for the environment file, where through which I have to pass the environment while deploying EGS Express for Mongoose, and the node mode for updating the code every time we have not to restart the server once we save our main index file. In index file, I have used the constant express for requiring the express, and the port is processed env port, or it runs on the local host of 9000, and the express required. I have used the configuration of the mongoose in the mongoose file. Here it comes to the mongoose, and in mongoose I have used the dot environment, where it connect to the MongoDB at URI, which I have been set my env folder, which is the sensitive, so I will hide on our GitHub through the roots. I'm using the router.get, that products are controlled which for home, for listing the elements, for product list, for posting to create the products, for delete to delete, and for post to post. Now let's see how our product works. So for that, simply we type node index.js. So you can see my Node.js API has been connected successfully to the database. So now in the app we will just see our local host 9000, and see it's reading the hello admin. So to check whether our app is working or not fine, we will copy our URL and then launch our app. Here we will copy, and in the body section in URL code we will try to create an element for our code. So for that we will use a ending points, like if we have to create a products, we will write products slash create, and then we will add the name quantity. Suppose our name is hard disk, and the quantity is 100. We send our data through here post, and see our product has been created in the hard disk and is 100. Now if I want to delete this, if I want to delete the data, all I have to do, I will just products, I will copy the ID, use the unique for every product created, and I will write here as an ID, and just I will pass as a delete and the params, and then I will send the data, and see we get the message product removed from the list. Now if we want to update and data, we will simply first we will try to fetch the name of products, how many products are there in our file. So using the get method we can create, see this is the products. Now let's see, I want to update the quantity of my soap product. So what I will do, I will write a I will copy the ID number which is unique for everyone, and then I will write update product. Let's see first what is in updating products, update quantity, update quantity. Since we are passing a param, so we have to write now what is the key. So key is here number, and the value we are passing is 20. As soon as I post it, it's send, and see the number is increased by 20. And now if I want to decrease the quantity, I can just simply write -20 here, and it will send to the data and -20. Now we will check whether it's working on our MongoDB URL. MongoDB URL. Let's sign in. Here I have connected. So here is my database where I have created an e-commerce, and here I can see my collections. See, so all the data has been created. And now let's check our GitHub. In GitHub, it's my GitHub account, and on all my repository you can see that's e-commerce API, and it has already been invented. So all I have to do is click here and view deployment, and my app is successfully deployed here. And now we will check whether it's working or not on the post. So all we have to do this, and then we will write products, and then we will simply get and send the data. See, so it has been connected. So thank you for your time.